Good afternoon, I'm Federica D'Ambrosio. Today we are going to review the account of Victor. This is actually the second target that he hit. For that, Victor now is managing a 60k account, and he joined our funded trader program on the 15th of June, and he hit his first 10% of target last August on the 21st, and his second 10% target on the 14th of October. So very well done, Victor, first of all. And let's have a look at his equity line. We can see here we will do a general review. And we can see that since he joined, we can see a few ups and downs, but eventually his equity line is definitely upward sloping, very, very nicely upward sloping, and he has a daily average return of 0.16% with a monthly return of 4.80%, almost 5% per month, and a drawdown of 3.94%. Let's have a look at the drawdown chart. We can see that on average it was between the 2% and just some spike here around 4%, but on average we can see between the 2 and the 3% of drawdown on his account, which is very good. He never went in negative territory, and if we don't consider here, just on the very beginning, on the 19th of June, it was down by 1.99%, almost 2%, but it's nothing really important to mention. Okay. From the advanced statistics, we can see he took 247 trades with a profitability rate of the 80%, which is a very, very good winning rate. If we have a look at this average win and average loss, here we can see how on average he won 18 pips, while on average he lost 44 pips. But since he has a very, very good profitability rate, he still managed to hit the target twice. If we have a look at his best trade and his worst trades, dollar-wise, we have here on September the 17th, he gained $523, while he lost on October the 14th, $740. But I believe that this is something he did on the new account actually. So we will review that maybe in future. In terms of pips, we can see his best trade was worth 119 pips, while his worst trade on June the 26th, he lost 245 pips. Okay, let's have a look at the summary to see if he focused more on some pair. And okay, we can see here he also traded a bit of everything, and he mainly focused on here. We can see 42 position open on the pound dollar, that although led into a loss of $300, 39 trades on the euro dollar, in which in this pair he gained $1,860. We can see the biggest result, I believe, is this one here on the pound yen. He gained $2,216. Very good. Let's see from the losing side which pair was the worst for him. Nothing really worth to mention. We can see here just the pound dollar that we mentioned earlier. He has a loss of $300 and some other not very major. Here we can see minus 200, minus 220, but yes, nothing really major as a loss. Let's have a look at his history as well. From the first page, we can see he didn't go full lot straight away. We can see 0.1, 0.3, sum of 0.5. We can see it was still on the first account that he had. Then here on the 21st of August, this is when he hit his first 10% target. After that, we can see some position. He was opening one lot because he was allowed to. 0.5, 0.3, one lot. He started to go one lot. But also on this account, we can see not on every trade he was using the full lot size. And yes, here is when just on the 14th of October he hit his second target, and now is trading with his new account. If we have a look at the monthly analytics, just to see how his performance is changed throughout the period he traded with us. June, we can see a minus 78%, then a positive result on July, slightly positive but less than June. We can see here on August we have 2.74%. The biggest result were here in September, when we can see a very good month, 9.72% on average. And of course now October is still up and running. For now he is in profit he gained 3.81%. Okay, let's have a look at the average duration of his trades. His average trade length is 9 hours and 51 minutes. Let's have a look at the duration scatter plot. The vast majority of his position were held below 1 day. Majority of them, we can see the majority here is below 12 hours. We can say here we can see more losing position than winning position that he kept up and running. And here we can see he had at the most a trade for 4 days, and it was a losing trade. He lost 1.55%. His best trade here, 1.78%. He won, and he held it for just 3 hours. Okay, very, very well done, Victor. We look forward to do the third review of your account.